In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view blocked senders in Outlook. If you're using the Microsoft Outlook desktop application, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure it's as clear as possible. Let's start by navigating to the upper right corner of your Outlook window. This is where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear or cog. Click on this icon to open up a menu of options. Here, you'll want to select Mail to continue. Choosing Mail will take you to another set of settings specifically related to your email configurations. Next up, look for the option labeled Junk Mail. This section is fundamental as it handles all aspects of managing unwanted emails, thus playing a key role in our quest to view blocked senders. When you access the junk mail settings, you'll find multiple options related to how Outlook handles suspicious or unsolicited messages. Now, direct your attention to the area beneath the junk mail section. You should see a section titled Block Senders and Domains. This section provides a comprehensive list of all the senders and domains that you've previously blocked. It's your go-to place for reviewing who you've decided to banish from your inbox. Within the block senders and domains list, you'll be able to see each address or domain you've blocked. This list is particularly handy if you need to recall any domains you might have added in haste, or if you're reconsidering and wish to unblock someone. Reviewing this list periodically is a good habit, as it helps manage and fine-tune your email experience, ensuring that your inbox remains efficient and clear of unwanted noise. Remember, Outlook's blocked senders list helps you keep control over your inbox by preventing unwanted emails from cluttering up space. If you find an address that you want to unblock, you can do so by selecting it and choosing the option to remove it from the blocked list. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that only wanted communications come through, enhancing your email management efficiency. By the end of this straightforward process, you should have a solid understanding of how to view and manage your blocked senders in the Outlook desktop app. This simple yet effective tool is invaluable for maintaining a cleaner, more organized inbox, sparing you from the hassle of dealing with spam or unwanted emails cluttering up your digital space. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.